it the thunder or my stomach growling? It's the thunder, right? Ah! Not bad, that was close! That was pretty good. I think it is the thunder, right? It's not my stomach. I heard something grumble. Not sure if it was definitely the 15 misses. Probably both. Alright. Surely. We got it this time. Ah! Okay, still 3 stars. Still 3 stars. Whew, 8 misses. Not gonna lie, my stomach growled like on the offbeats. I was like, oh no. It's distracting me. But no, we still got 3 stars. We good. We gaming. Alright, what's next?